This is OnePlus Pad Go, and in this short video I will quickly show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So in the beginning, you should check for available system and security updates by launching your device. Settings, then find and enter the security and privacy category, scroll down, open the system and update section, and here first check for available security updates, and obviously if there will be a newer version of the software, make sure to download and install it, and also check the Google Play system update as well. And the same goes for this update. If it will show you that there is a newer software or firmware version, whatever, make sure to download and install it, since, well, those updates are pretty much designed to fix and to cover the security vulnerabilities and breaches. Then what you might also want to do is to launch the Google Play Store, then tap at your avatar, open the Play Protect and run a Play Protect scan for harmful apps. And if it will find any harmful behavior present on your tablet, it will help you to terminate those threads, and if it will find any infected apps, you will also need to uninstall them, obviously. And on top of the Google Play Protect scan, you can also resort to using some third-party antivirus solutions, for example, Avast. There are a bunch of other alternatives and other third-party antivirus and security applications, so if you prefer any particular app, just go for it. It doesn't necessarily have to be Avast, but usually that's the option, the generic app that I go with. And what you want to do if you'll go with Avast, simply install this app and follow the instructions that the app will show you on the screen in order to, well, scan your system for possible security vulnerabilities, and then it will also help you to resolve them and will cover for those threats and get rid of all possible viruses, malware, whatever is that infected your tablet or your system. And well, as far as this simple video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.